now almost 3 o'clock and we have finally made it out of our Airbnb. We have had a very lazy morning this morning, but we've made it out. We've actually booked ourselves onto a walking tour, which should be really good. We are going to the Alcazaba. I think I said that right, probably not, completely butchered it I'm sure, but it's like a fortification or something I think. I don't know, we're doing a little bit of history, a little bit of culture, so we've got a walking tour at 4. We are currently just kind of like wandering to where that should hopefully start, just so we know where to go and we're not going to be late. And just having a little bit of an explore, going down some little side streets that we haven't seen yet, which are really pretty, going to a few little shops, which I'm just not a big shopper, but we're having a little bit of an explore, which is really nice, and at least we have finally made out of the flat, which is good. We have made it to the Roman amphitheatre, or the remains of, and we're hoping we're going to be meeting our tour somewhere around here, because we're thinking up there is the fort stuff, but we're not 100% sure.
To try to push with the shield the Christian, that since they have the armor and the armor were heavy, they were going to fall, and after you, all the soldiers that were at your back. People from Malaga start to move into the Alcazaba, so they start to build a neighborhood.
We have just got back down from the fort castle house thing. The tour we went on was really good. We went with a company called Malaga Adventures and I would really recommend it. The woman was so good. It was really informative, really interesting actually, and I'm not the biggest sort of like history person, but it was all about kind of how the Christians took it over from the Muslims, and she was just really good, really clear, really interesting, so it was really fun. We were planning on staying up there to watch the sunset, but we got kicked out. So I think they must have closed early. I don't know, maybe because it was Sunday. I think it was meant to stay open till 8 and it's only like 6ish now. So we got kicked out, so we're not going to see the sunset from that amazing view, but that's fine. We've come to a little restaurant which we actually came to earlier for some patatas bravas. So it's like a pre-walk up to the fort snack, and now the restaurant we're planning on going to for dinner doesn't open until 7, so we're coming here for another little snack, which is the great thing about tapas, because you can go out and literally just have like a couple of small plates and then go out for a proper dinner as well, which I don't think is the norm, but that's what we're going to do this evening. So we've ordered some garlic bread, we've ordered some Indian potato cakes or something. We're going to eat that here and then head to the actual restaurant that we're going to for dinner in a little while. Please ignore my appearance. I am literally so tired and I've just taken off my makeup and everything, ready for bed. I've still got this jumper on because it is a little bit chilly tonight, so I'm probably going to keep this on until I warm up in bed. It's actually fairly early, I think it's only like 11:30 maybe, but we've all gone to bed because we're so tired. I think because we had such a late night last night and just didn't have that much sleep, so we're all feeling a little bit tired, and seeing as we're flying back tomorrow, we figured we would just go to bed early. I feel like this vlog has been very short. Today has been a very chill day. It's been really nice. I feel like we've seen things, but also not rushed and like not forced ourselves to do anything that we didn't want to do, just so we could kind of like tick off stuff. So today's been nice. I really enjoyed the tour. Dinner was a little bit disappointing. We went to this like vegetarian restaurant. I'd found it, so this is all my fault. But it was meant to be a birthday treat for those guys. I thought it was going to be really nice, but it wasn't. It was very disappointing, so it's not great. So we had dinner there. I had spaghetti bolognese, and then we also got, I think, some patatas bravas to share and just some other bits, and they were just all not that great. So then we headed home after dinner and we've just watched a really crappy Netflix Christmas film. So not the most, I don't know, typical holiday evening, I don't feel like, but it was really good fun. It was nice just chilling. It's nice having a holiday that's really like low pressure, like we've not forced ourselves to do anything and we've been able to still see things but also been able to relax. So it's been a good day, but yeah, I definitely feel like this vlog is very short, so sorry in advance if it is. I'm now going to end this video here. I'm going to pick you guys back up in the morning for the final vlog of my trip to Malaga. Gonna do a Airbnb room tour slash house tour tomorrow because I was meant to do it at the beginning of the week, well, the beginning of the holiday, but kept forgetting, and it's just messy and not worth doing. So hopefully by the time we've packed up tomorrow it will look a little bit more decent. So I'll do a little tour tomorrow, and then we're not actually flying out until like 20 to 6 I don't think, so we've got a fair bit of the day as well. So I'm gonna go to the Picasso Museum and get up to some few other bits, but yeah, gonna end this video here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.